Okay, so this is our project. This is Buidl Buddy, and this is the extension which anyone can add in the Chrome or any web browser. Let me just quickly show the code base. Like this is the manifest.json, like the Buidl Buddy and a bunch of stuff here. Popup.html and popup.css, popup.js. So here is the here we have used the Guynet API key, like the Llama API key, to build our project and fetch our data. And this is our README file where we'll be adding this video soon. Yeah. So now let's move on to Chrome and let's get it hands-on. Okay, so just before getting started, let me tell you how to add the extension. So once you are here, make sure you enable this developer mode on this right toggle, and then click on load and pad. Then select your folder for the Buidl Buddy, and that's it. And then it will be showing here. Now you can just scroll down and pin it. So you can see it is here. So this is the like the interface for the Buidl Buddy. So it would be only answering the questions which are related to Web3. So first start with, so let's get started with asking question which is outside of Web3. So suppose we ask what is DevOps. Let's give it a try. So this is the interface like which would be which is like getting shown. So since the question is not related to Web3, I'll be politely provide a response that isn't within my primary area of expertise. So yeah, it still gives, but it tells like that's not related to Web3. So now let's ask Web3 tech stack. I'm just randomly asking like that doesn't make sense, but yeah. Web3 tech stack. So Web3 tech stack typically includes blockchain platforms, Ethereum, also any of the chains, programming language, the Solidity Viper, front-end frameworks, React, Angular, Framework, and some back-end frameworks, Truffle, Suite, Hard Hat. So that's the core of it. So it gives the accurate, precise answer, and I guess that could be very good use case if like any one of you is using Buidl Buddy in your projects. And just to let you know, if we go over the code base and we check out, like it could be acting as an ultra knowledgeable Web3 buddy, which is kind of similar to Austin Griffith. So it's kind of AI twin of Austin Griffith. But yeah, I have made a more over use case for this, and some of the future changes or the updates would be like storing local data and soon publishing this to the Chrome store. So that's it, and thank you.